Before I show you how to record your testimonial, I just want to say thank you for being a great customer, giving your testimonial, and sharing the experiences you've had so far with Fresh Clothes. The remainder of this video, I'll walk you through setting up your phone, recording, and uploading your testimonial. First, open the camera app on your phone and switch it from photo to video. Once you have done that, make sure to change the camera to the front-facing camera, aka the selfie cam. Using this camera allows you to frame your shot because you can see yourself easier. Once you're ready to give the testimonial, take a deep breath, look at the camera, and push the record button. Here are 3 tips that will help you film your testimonial. The first one is write down a few things you want to say and have it close by as you're filming. The second tip is, if you mess up, don't stop recording. Do one of 2 things. 1, just say the line over again. Here's a tip: if you decide to re-say the line, give yourself a second or 2 before you say it again. This will help me out in post, which is when I go back and edit the video. That second tip is just keep rolling with it because this will increase its authenticity. The third tip is turn off your lights, open the blinds, and stand close to the window. Using natural light will help lighten your video and it will prevent it from being too yellow. This would require you to film during the day. When you're done, press the big red stop button to stop recording. Now the video will automatically go to your photos. Click on your photo app to make sure that the video is there. If you already have Google Drive on your phone, you can skip the next step. If you don't have it already, just keep following along. Tap on the App Store and search for Google Drive. Once you find it, click the download button and wait for it to download. After it's finished downloading, tap on the app to open it up, and then you will need to sign in. Once you've signed in, tap the big plus button at the bottom to add the video. Tap Upload, then Photos and Videos, then Recents, and you should see your video at the top. To select the video, just tap on it. Once it has the blue check mark next to it, you'll know it's been selected and you can tap on Upload. It will take you back to the main menu as it's uploading, and you can see its progress from the bar underneath. When it's finished uploading, click on the 3 dots on the right hand side, and up at the top of the menu, tap Share. This is where you will type in my email address to share it with me. Type in zsrasmussen@gmail.com. You can add a message if you'd like, or you can skip adding a message and push the blue button to send it to me. Once I receive it and check my email, I'll send you a response saying I received it. Again, we just want to say thank you so much for being a great customer and sharing your testimonial with us.